Go. You don't have to push it fast, okay? Because it might fall over if you push it too fast. There you go.
All his wires in the way.
All right, now everybody come to this front here, kneel down in front of me and give me a pose. Right here.
What's this black stuff?
Look at me. Sit down. Kneel down. Look at me. Give me a pose.